Hello, Ian with Bridgeway Printing, here to talk to you about our capabilities in sticker making. Basically, we've got a few different price points of decals, and depending on what your budget or what your need is, sort of a good, better, best scenario. So our most economical decal is your basic print and cut. This is just digitally printed onto a white, real basic vinyl material, and then knife cut. So looks great. They are a little bit prone to scuffing and UV fade, but other than that, if you want to get your point across for a really great price, this is a fantastic way to go. Beyond that, we have an improved vinyl material, and then we put a clear overlam in it that gives you scratch resistance and UV fade protection for up to 5 years in the outdoor environment. So these can be basic squares, circles, whatever shape you want, or it can be cut to fit the contours of the graphic as well. So that's a good way to go. And if you want something that's a little bit more durable, this is the same vinyl background with an 8mm as opposed to a 4mm clear overlam in it. And this is going to give you quite a bit more just physical durability. This is a similar material that is used in making like motocross number plates and things like that. So if you want something that's going to really put up with the abuse, and these are for putting on a hard hat, they went with the 8mm overlam in it. And another category of stickers is just your basic die cut, which ironically we don't use a die to cut these, we use a knife cutter to cut them. But it's just basically cutting the shape of your image out in a vinyl material. And it's kind of cloudy looking, you can see, because it has a transfer tape over the top, which they're pretty labor intensive to make actually. You put a solid colored vinyl material in, and it cuts the lines out, and then my favorite part is that you have to go through and physically remove the areas that you don't want in the graphic. It's called weeding. Weeding is fun. And what you're left with is a really cool decal that you pick up with your transfer tape. Got to be careful with these things. And not that we'd be naughty and stick it on the John L. Scott sign, but if you wanted to, tape, get it secured down, carefully peel the transfer tape off, and your image remains. So you'll see those like on the back of people's cars, like Dutch Brothers stickers and things like that. That's how those are made. So that's it for stickers. Thanks for tuning in.